Welcome to Gourmet. Delicious recipes, simple steps. Subscribe now, never miss a bite.
Got 2 ripe bananas? Let's bake the easiest banana bread ever. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. In a large bowl, beat the softened butter with sugar until light and fluffy. Add the eggs one at a time, then stir in the mashed bananas until smooth. Fold in the dry ingredients in 2 parts. Mix gently until just combined. Pour the batter into the prepared loaf pan and smooth the top. Bake for 45-55 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes. Remove, slice, and enjoy. Slice, serve, and try not to eat the whole loaf in one sitting.
Thanks for watching. Your support means the world.